Baghdad Oil Training Institute, Engineering Inspection Center. It's done building the Engineering Inspection Center in Baghdad Oil Training Institute, a branch of the Ministry of Oil, in May 2015, on a ground area of 1,000 square meters, of which its building was designed by a special properties made by the Specialized Consultative Center following to the University of Technology in Baghdad to be convenient for making engineering tests, which achieve two types of tests as below: destructive tests, non-destructive tests. The building consists of the first floor, the center manager room, who is responsible for the management of center in both administrative and technical sides. The control room, which is provided with the most modern cameras and a complete internet system for keeping on with the development of scientific subjects related to work. Two special rooms for the staff of engineers, technicians, and administration. Occupying these rooms, the staff which will complete the center works as making courses and implementing laboratory tests. Meeting room, lecturers hall, destructive test lab, which consists of two types of testing currently working. A. Universal test machine, which include 4 destructive tests: 1. Tensile test, 2. Bending test, 3. Compression test, 4. Brinell hardness tests. Impact test. Beside a hardness test laboratory, which includes table hardness test device and mobile hardness test device. Visual test lab. The center needs a private bags for visual test, besides sample preparation devices for testing, knowing that the lab contains an electronic microscope provided with a camera and a television for showing the microscopic environment. X-ray lab. We have a smart 200 PC X-ray device which needs update according to the latest development used in these techniques, the digital photography techniques, but we don't have processing equipment for the movies and printing devices for knowing and determining defects. The first floor also includes a store of the spare parts for the center's devices and equipments. The second floor, which consists of a metal analysis lab, which needs equipment, a dye penetrant testing lab, which needs full supply, an ultrasonic testing lab. The device found in the center is of DM4 type for measuring thicknesses only, and an Avenger device for defect determination and metal thickness, but it needs additional devices for the absorption of participants' numbers in courses. A rotary device lab, which needs devices, a magnetic particle test, and eddy current test, of which devices we don't have in the center. A corrosion lab, which needs devices, a library hall, which needs a type of library containing all the walls system used in oil industries, besides the need for archiving the center's works. A lecturer's hall, a private hall for meal presentation and hospitality for the developing courses participants. And finally, the second floor contains a store also for the devices and equipment's spare parts.